Okay, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be what I'm calling a post-2000 climber. So we've already looked at the Spartan. Spartan is a two-layered knife with your basic tools, and we'll build on from there. So anything with a corkscrew I'm going to call in the Spartan line as opposed to the Tinker line. Again, the Tinker has a Phillips screwdriver here on the back layer. So if I take my two-layer Spartan and I add another layer to it and make it 3 layers, and that layer happens to be scissors, then I get a climber. So we'll get into it. Still have a 91mm knife. It is still right at 1 inch in thickness or height. And then because we added a third layer, we're right at 5/8 wide. So we have our 4-turn solid corkscrew, which dates it at post 1991. We have a postal hook or multi-purpose hook, which puts it at post 1991 because this feature wasn't added until 1991. And then just a friendly reminder that on the back of the postal hook, on some models after 1998, it will have a nail file. Looking at our reamer, we have our 1961 style reamer with the sharpened edge, but this one has the sewing eye in it, so we know it's post 85. Get into our opening layer. Have our standard can opener with the precision screwdriver, and we do not have a Swiss patch stamp. Again, that went away in 1980. We have our standard cap lifter with hollow ground flathead screwdriver, and then your wire bender, and then we do have the post 1985 90-degree stop. No wire stripper. And then we get into what makes it a climber, which are the scissors. Again, thinking back to our dating video with that kind of goldish or bronzish colored pin rivet. I think that change happened somewhere in 2004 time frame. And again, we do have the spring guiding groove. We have a 2-band spring. Our standard main blade. And for our tang stamps, we have Victorinox Swiss made stainless. Lighting's not going to cooperate with me today, sorry. Then the officer Swiss on the back. And you have your post 73 spear point blade. Your standard scale tools of tweezers with the post 78 plastic tip. And your toothpick. So again, the climber adds the scissors to the Spartan in the 91mm lineup. And again, we're calling this one post 2000 because of that bronze rivet or pin in there. Alrighty, appreciate your time. Stay tuned. Be nice to one another.